Umidrang ba kajala Conrad Sangma ubolong convener jang kynhun ki menteri sarkar na kijala ba pher hakalai tarik chilio ula lumi ka jinglang ka baning kong bani kren halor kumno ban ajimut Ministry of Finance halor ban od ya ka jing siu khajna GST na kitiar kimar ki bodan ka jinde ban ka khlam covid ya kani ka kynhun ki menteri sarkar ka dei bala aibo da ka menteri ka sarkar kami ka wakhmi ya ka platinka ka Nirmala Sitaraman ha ka jelang jong ka GST council ka ba saupulai ka ba long ha ka nong ba Delhi katkum ka jingkatha kani ka kynhun kan hab ban IT ka ke phot jongka ha ka pratrik chilio umitrang ba ka jala ulai thu ba ka jinglang kaladon ka jingkran ha ka baidei bat ka bun kimar ban outdoor ka ba onlong na ka banta ka jingun toy jingki pai ba.
The benefits and the tax reductions that would give the benefit directly to the people. So therefore items that were very much personal oriented, that the people or the patients would have to directly buy, we made sure that we could bring down the concessions and the rates to the amount maximum possible, so that in these difficult times maximum relief can be given. So that was one of the principles that we followed. The second, of course, was the fact we also looked at the issue of the rules and regulations and the laws based on which the council functions, and ensured that we stuck to the constitution and the provisions that are there in the GST. Your idea that obviously matters related to the medicines that are used by the people, those were discussed, and all different items from the drugs point of view that are required for people that was discussed. Important items, day-to-day items like hand sanitizers were discussed, temperature equipments were there. We discussed about the ventilators that are being used in hospitals. We discussed about the medicine of which is required for black fungus, which is spreading a lot throughout the country, and it's very, very expensive. So those aspects also were discussed. We discussed about the vaccines, and how we should approach that was also discussed. We also discussed about the diagnostic kits, the RT-PCR test kits, the D-dimer kits, and different kind of machines, even like the, as I said, the ventilators and other complementary products that are there. So those areas were discussed, and as I said, appropriate recommendations have been given, keeping in mind the ultimate effect on the end consumer.